Hey guys, so today's video is going to be doing my daughter's hair. She has very curly hair. A lot of people ask all the time how I manage it. It's a lot of work. Her hair is more curly than mine is, so you can imagine the work that it takes. But as of right now, the products that I use on her hair, she has eczema, and so she does have it in her scalp. So I use a special shampoo on her hair. I don't use anything that's like sulfate free or, you know, Diva Curl. I don't use any of those products on her hair when I wash and condition. And then to style, I use Cantu products, and I'll show you those. So I'm gonna put the video over to her so she can introduce herself. She's gonna show you her crazy hair before her beautiful hair.
So welcome back to my video, and today my mom's going to wash my hair, and then we're gonna fix it.
All right, what's your name?
My name is Mima.
What's your real name?
Sarai.
Sarai. How old are you?
And I'm 4.5. I'm almost to my birthday to be 5.
That's right. Let me see your hair. Let's show the crazy hair. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so much fun. All right, turn around. Say, I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much what I use. Like I said, she has eczema. This is what her dermatologist recommended, if anyone's curious. Tea gel shampoo. So I use this shampoo in her hair. Conditioner, I really don't have a favorite. I just use whatever. Yeah, and I'm running out, but this is the detangling spray that I use on her hair. And then I start off with the leave-in conditioner, and then I add a little bit of the coconut curling cream, and this is the brush. The brush that I use to detangle her hair and to basically manipulate her curls. Okay, we're all done. Turn your head to the side. Let's see the bow, the pretty bow that you picked. What color is your bow?
So as you see, my bow is going to be yellow.
Yes. Why?
So it's this kind of way. right. Yellow like the sun.
Right. To match your pants.
Yeah. So you kind of see like yellow on my pants for right now.
Okay.
Here, then it could be here or anywhere.
Okay. Do you love your hair?
Yes, because the hair is supposed to be
Curly.
So Mommy made it for me and it looks beautiful. So today that's it for this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.